Welcome to our vibrant outdoor playground. Dive into the fun with our 2-unit FRP MAPS, boosting a dynamic array of colors and exciting features. Let your imagination soar as you zoom down the double wave slide in cheerful yellow and red hues, while on the right, a cool blue wave slide awaits. To the left, conquer the twisting adventure of the spiral slide in sunny yellow. But the excitement doesn't stop there. With a sturdy rock climber at the forefront, safety and durability are our top priorities. Adorned with delightful sunflowers and a graceful butterfly atop the spiral slide, every moment here is filled with joy and adventure. Built with the finest quality materials, our equipment guarantees long-lasting enjoyment with minimal maintenance. Join us in creating unforgettable memories in the great outdoors.